This program provides education, not advice. Sponsors pay a fee for endorsements and interviews. See the truthayf.com disclosure page for details.
This is where technology, innovation, and personal finance come together.
This is the truth about your future with Rick Edelman. Brought to you by Global X ETFs, dedicated to providing investors with unexplored intelligent solutions, and by Invesco QQQ. Anyone can become an agent of innovation with Invesco QQQ. Invesco Distributors, Inc.
It's Tuesday, November 14th. AI, as we all know, is revolutionary, and it's revolutionizing science. It really shouldn't be all that surprising. Tech has always revolutionized science. Remember microscopes and telescopes? They came onto the scene in the 1600s. The telegraph in the 1850s. Aircraft in the 1900s. The internet in the 1990s. All these led to major progress in astronomy, physics, and eventually into the business world. Fertilizers, pharmaceuticals, the transistor. And so now, the latest is AI. Last year, AI was mentioned in 7% of all physics and astronomy papers. It was even cited in 1% of papers in veterinary medicine. This year, every scientific field is reporting research using AI. At MIT, they found new antibiotics using AI. Researchers at the University of Liverpool used AI to create a new material for the production of batteries. A biochemist at the University of Oxford used AI to find the protein in mosquitoes that transmits malaria. Another team needed just 30 days to use AI to find the protein involved in liver cancer. Climate scientists are using AI to predict the weather a week in advance, thousands of times faster and cheaper than the old technology, with no drop in accuracy. Physicists are using AI to figure out how to create nuclear fusion. A psychologist at the University of Waterloo is using AI for focus groups instead of real human participants. And software coders are working 55% faster by using AI. You might want to think about the Global X Artificial Intelligence and Technology ETF. The symbol is AIQ. Grandview Research says the global AI boom could grow tenfold by 2030, and the Marketing AI Institute says AI is going to boost corporate profits by 38%. Accenture says AI is going to add $14 trillion to the GDP by 2035. So the Global X ETF, the Global X Artificial Intelligence and Technology ETF, invests in companies worldwide, both household names and newcomers, that invest in information technology, communication services, consumer discretionary, industrial stocks, financial stocks, healthcare stocks. Yeah, AI is touching pretty much everything, and AIQ is an opportunity for you to be part of it. You can learn more about this ETF at globalxetfs.com. If you're an investor, talk to your financial advisor about it. Let me switch gears now. Bitcoin's been around since 2009, and we don't have a Bitcoin ETF, at least not yet. But there are applications in front of the SEC. Any day now, the SEC may very well approve one or more of these Bitcoin ETF applications. It's coming soon. You don't have a lot of time to wait. You need to get the knowledge you need right now about crypto so that you're prepared and ready to help your clients when these ETFs enter the market. Your clients are going to call you asking you for your opinion. You need to demonstrate to them that you've gotten that knowledge. And there's only one way for you to do it. Get your CBDA. Become certified in blockchain and digital assets. It's offered by DAC-FP, the Digital Assets Council of Financial Professionals. It's online, self-study, and self-paced. It's listed in FINRA's database of professional designations, just like the CFP, the CFA, the CLU, and the CHFC. You need to serve your clients. You also need to build your practice. And the CBDA designation will help you do both. Enroll today and get your CBDA designation. The link for enrolling is in the show notes.
Support for Rick Edelman's podcast comes from Invesco QQQ. What do all the greatest innovations have in common? Agents, people who participate in progress by supporting cutting-edge ideas. Invesco QQQ is a fund that allows you access to innovators of the NASDAQ 100 all-in-one fund. So you don't have to be an inventor to help create what's next to come. Anyone can become an agent of innovation with Invesco QQQ. Learn more at Invesco.com/QQQ. There are risks when investing in ETFs, including possible loss of money. ETFs' risks are similar to those of stocks. Investments in the tech sector are subject to greater risk and more volatility than more diversified investments. The NASDAQ 100 Index comprises the 100 largest non-financial companies on the NASDAQ. You can't invest directly into an index. Before investing, carefully read and consider fund investment objectives, risks, charges, expenses, and more in prospectus at Invesco.com. Invesco Distributors, Inc.
Looking to add AI to your portfolio? Consider the Global X Robotics and Artificial Intelligence ETF, ticker BOTZ. This ETF invests in companies harnessing robotics and AI disruption across a range of sectors like industrials, healthcare, and more. Investing involves risk, including possible loss of principal. Technology companies can be affected by rapid product obsolescence and intense industry competition. Before investing, carefully consider the fund's objectives, risks, charges, expenses, and more in the full or summary prospectus at globalxetfs.com. Read carefully. Distributed by SEI Investments Distribution Company.
How do advances in science, technology, and medicine translate into investment opportunity? Listen and learn.
This is The Truth About Your Future with Rick Edelman.